All right, this is Eddie Hood coming back with the next video on how to track your company's finances by revenue channel. This is what all profitable businesses do in order to make better decisions. In the last video, we talked to you about setting up your chart of accounts correctly so that you have your profit and loss statement broken up by each of your revenue channels. The next thing, though, and this is a big problem for most businesses, is we need to make sure that your bookkeeper is always posting every transaction to the correct revenue channel. So for example, in our construction company, if you have an invoice for framing, you don't want that to show up under painting because it's not the right account. So this is how you do that. If you're in QuickBooks, you're going to go up to lists once again and come down to item list. This is the list of everything you sell in QuickBooks, all right? And you can set this up for a service or for a product or for inventory items or whatever. You'll need to make sure that this report is set up correctly, but once it is, you'll come down here and you'll select whatever item it is, and you'll need to go through every item. So in this case, for the construction company, they've got drywall right here, okay? And this is their service account, and you'll notice that there is a column here that says account. Now, open that up and expand it, and it's going to show you where that thing is currently mapped to. At this point in time, it's mapped to framing. That's not the right account. So anytime your bookkeeper creates an invoice for drywall, it's going to show up under framing, and that's no good. So you'll want to open this up. You can just double click on it. My computer will hurry up. Okay, here we go. So once you double click on it, it's going to ask you where you want to post your income to. So this is the income account here, and you'll drop this down, and you're going to select, in this case, drywall projects. And again, make sure that it's one of your income accounts. Don't throw it to cost of goods sold or something weird. Just throw it to the proper income account that you've set up for your revenue channel. And there are a few other things that you need to set up too. I don't have the ability to cover all of that in this video because that's not the scope of this blog post. Today we're just showing you how to post your income to the right revenue channel, but this is how you do it. So if I select that and hit OK, now if I hit, we'll hit yes for now. We'll let that take effect. Now what's going to happen, let's pretend that I'm the bookkeeper. If I come in and I create an invoice, we'll pick just some random customer here. Okay. And in the item list, we're just going to exclude. These guys have some POs and other things set up in here. That's okay. This is a fake company, so it's a sample company out of QuickBooks. So if we're creating an invoice for this company, you click on the item, and if you were to come down to the drywall, which is the item that we just affected, and select that, and I create an invoice, let's say we're going to do a quantity of 1,000 for $50 a piece. And if I hit, so notice that this is in 12/15/2018. If I hit save and close, now when I go back to my report, my profit and loss statement, you'll see that there is now a drywall projects here that is showing 54,000. There was already some stuff in there. It transferred over from when I pushed all previous transactions to that when I hit yes. But anyway, you can see that that new transaction that I just created, that invoice, is rolling that drywall project into the correct revenue channel so that as a manager, I can come in and I can look at my profit and loss statement and see how we're doing. So that's it. In the next video, I'm going to talk about something that mixes a lot of people up. That is classes, and this is pretty much a QuickBooks thing. So we're going to talk about how to use classes in conjunction with what we're talking about. All right, thanks guys.